Welcome to Enoch's Tech Hub. Today we're diving into something really exciting from Google called Opal. This is one of Google's newest experimental tools, and trust me, you'll want to hear about this. So what exactly is Google Opal? Opal is a brand new experimental project straight out of Google Labs, the same creative team behind many of Google's most innovative ideas. And just like their past projects, Opal is all about pushing boundaries. But here's the mind-blowing part. Opal lets you describe, create, and share your very own AI mini-apps, all without writing a single line of code. That's right, no coding required. You simply describe what you want in plain English, and Opal brings it to life. Imagine having an idea for a custom AI tool, and instead of hiring a developer or spending weeks learning programming, you just type your idea. The system does the rest. Here's how it works. Step 1. You provide an input, which is simply your idea described in natural language. Step 2. Opal takes that description, processes it, and generates an output, a fully functional Gemini-powered AI app. Behind the scenes, Opal creates a visual workflow, kind of like a flowchart, where all the steps, prompts, model calls, and tools connect together automatically. Let's say you want an app that researches a topic, writes a blog post outline, creates a banner image for it, and then displays the final post. With Opal, you just describe that process, and Opal builds the entire sequence for you visually. But what really makes Opal powerful is its flexibility. You're not stuck with the first version it creates. You can easily tweak the prompts, add new features, or swap in different tools. You can even edit by simply describing the change you want. Or if you prefer, just drag and drop elements in the workflow editor. And once your mini app is ready, sharing is just as easy. You can publish your app, and anyone with a Google account can use it instantly. Even better, they can remix your app. Take what you built, modify it, and create something completely new. This opens the door for rapid prototyping and collaboration. To sum it all up, Google Opal is a game-changing tool for anyone who wants to build AI apps without coding. It's visual, intuitive, and built for sharing. Whether you're a student, a content creator, or a business owner, Opal makes it easier than ever to bring your AI ideas to life. So, what kind of AI mini app would you create with Google Opal? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Enoch's Tech Hub for more deep dives into the latest tech innovations.